I have here a plant caddy that have wheels, and it has a nice little strap if you want to strap on your plant or whatever else you want to put on it to move around. It's going to hold a lot of weight. You can see the wheels move really smoothly, have nice handles at the top, and it's really easy to adjust to fit different sizes of pots or other things that you want to move. So I have a plant here. It has heavy dirt in it and it's a heavier pot. So all you have to do is get up close to your pot here, then slightly just lift it enough that you can slide it right underneath, and then get it up close to those suction cups. My pot's just a tiny bit small, but it still fits. And then I can take this piece, slide it down until it's down in there nice and little and snug, and then tighten these back up, and then you are ready to go. If it's a bigger pot or something you're worried about, you can use the straps if you would like. If not, just lift back with your foot, and then you are ready to push it wherever you need to go. It slides really smoothly and it's easy to push, and I don't have to hurt my back by lifting the pot and taking it where I need to go. So this is suitable for plants and pots that are 4 inches to 27 inches high, and the base width is 8.5 inches to 15.5 inches wide, and it holds up to 155 pounds. This would be a great gift to give to somebody that's a plant lover so they don't hurt their back, and they're going to love having it for easy movement of whatever they want to move throughout their yard with their plants. Once you have the pot where you want to put it, lift this back up so it's not hugging the plant anymore. Then all you have to do is pull it out. So right here I have a bigger pot just to show you, to demonstrate. Also, you can adjust these pieces right here. So if I have a wider pot and I want to adjust it, say I want to make it this wide, super easy to adjust it on both sides so it can fit whatever size pot you want. So to just demonstrate on a bigger pot, it's the same concept. Get up close, tilt it a little bit so you can slide it right under, and then you can adjust this to go down so that it will fit. And then you can adjust this piece, tighten up the screws so you are ready to move the pot wherever you need. So this plant caddy is really nice, super simple, easy to use. I love that it has an extra strap if you need to strap it for extra support. Super easy to move any pot of any size, and it's super easy to use and move around on any surface to get your plant and pot wherever you want to put it.